Welcome to Connie's Truffle House. Look who's in the truffle kitchen with Mimi today. I've got Marco and Kira. Look what Marco and Kira made for Connie's Truffle House, which we also call CTH. Is this the cutest? The colors and the lettering? Awesome job! Today we are excited to make one of our very favorite Easter treats, Connie's gluten-free bird nest coconut macaroons. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off putting everything in the big bowl of coconut, shredded sweetened coconut. We're going to do this one in a minute, sweetie. So let Mimi start off by pouring in Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. I'm not using the entire can. Alrighty, now Marco and Kira, can you help Mimi start stirring that in? And while you do that, I'll start adding the other ingredients, okay? This is vanilla, and vanilla is, yeah, and this is lemon extract. Lemon extract, it's important to measure because it's potent. And this is lemon zest, y'all. Okay, now this is the lemon zest coming in, and it's important we really get that folded in super well. And now we're going to whip an egg white into stiff peaks, y'all. That means we're going to be combining a room temperature egg white. Very important, y'all, that this is room temperature because a warm egg white will whip up more easily than a cold egg white. And then I'm adding a little bit of cream of tartar and salt. And Kira, watch this. We're gonna start off on low. That kind of gets the friction of the beaters going and it warms up. And then we're going to turn this baby on high. You want to watch? Y'all, the egg white has been beaten to a stiff peak, which cream of tartar helps. So don't forget the cream of tartar. Now, you know what we're going to do now? Mimi's going to fold the egg white into that coconut mixture. And the reason it's kind of a fragile step in this cookie process is that we don't want the egg white to get all smashed down or deflated. So we're going to take a little bit at a time. And we're going to fold it rather gently, okay? We've got our oven preheated to 325, and we've got a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. And Marco, do you want to share everyone the small ice cream scoop we're going to use? This makes a perfect size macaroon. So let's bring our cookie sheet. Don't forget your parchment paper. If you forget to line your baking sheet, the coconut macaroons are going to stick like crazy. Here's how we do this, friends. Just pack it into a small ice cream scoop like that. Try to get the edges off. If you have a little bit come out from the sides, you call that the feet of the macaroon, or yeah, the macaroon. Not a real big deal, but I usually pat it around like that. You don't have to worry about spreading them apart on the cookie sheet because macaroons really don't spread much while baking. So you can put them within an inch of each other. And see, I've got that clean on the side. So when I release it, I don't have a lot of coconut sticking out the bottom. So after we get our molds out here, you can take your thumb and you can just push in the center like that, kind of scoop up the edge again. That makes the bird nest. Now, if you bring them out of the oven and you look at them and you think, oh, I wanted a better bird nest, the cookie will be hot, but you can still work with it. Just get a little spoon and just work it a little bit more when it's warm, and then you're not going to burn your fingers. Friends, Marco and Kira are ready to decorate their own bird nest coconut macaroons. And we have several things that you can put to feather your nest before you add your mini jelly beans. One is lemon curd. Store-bought lemon curd. I didn't make it. It's delicious because we have the lemon zest and the lemon extract in the coconut mixture. Another one, which is a favorite among kiddos, Nutella. And then one of my favorites is white chocolate melted that Marco wants to start off putting in the nest. The one thing about the white chocolate, it's going to harden, right? Because that's what I use for dipping white chocolate truffles. So you'll have to put your jelly beans on pretty quickly. Start your engines and decorate your bird nest macaroons. Marco and Kira did a fantastic job decorating these Easter macaroons. Are you ready to taste?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for it. While they're tasting, I want to show you a very cute way that you can gift these to teachers, friends, family. I found these darling little Easter, they're like little Easter baskets made of cardboard. And we've got one in here that the kids decorated a few minutes ago. And the way you can do this, y'all, I just cut up a piece of saran wrap. You can make it big or small depending upon how many macaroons you want to put in the basket. Let's take one for example, and I just wrapped it up so it stays fresh. And then I cut up a sheet of tissue paper, and we'll just bring it up in 4 corners like this. We'll pop it into the little basket. It would easily hold 3 macaroons, y'all. And then, what do you think? You want to give that to your teacher? What do you think just happened today in this video?
A little taste of heaven right here in Austin, Texas.
Friends, we're unscripted around here. I do believe we experienced a little taste of heaven right here in Austin, Texas. Hope y'all have a wonderful Easter. Come back and see us. You know how much we love y'all. God bless y'all. Bye.